showing you how to make a Nintendo Switch in Minecraft. So yeah, I'm not gonna build a whole house. I'm going to just build a little desk. I know how to do this after. Anyway, I figured this out ages ago, so not sure if I'll be able to completely do it. But yeah, just get a piston, leave some space for something to be for the piston to push. I'm not gonna spoil what you're supposed to use yet though. So yeah, you'll push it, it'll push the item here where the main part of it will be, and then there'll be another piston here pushing another thing there, and then yeah, it'll go to here. So what you'll need next will be just a bit of leather caps so you can dye them. Dye one blue and dye one red, just for each for the Joy-Cons. You also need a crafting table to dye them. Place down the crafting table and dye the leather caps. Okay, I've got one red and one blue. And next, we're gonna put them on some armor stands. One's gonna be here, one's gonna be here. I'm not sure which order it goes in, but I'm gonna go with this order. I think it's this order. And I'll put another armor stand right in the middle, and put a wither skeleton skull on top. So then get ready to push these in here. So you'll need some redstone blocks to push them. And then you'll do it again. Yeah, piston. Oops, wrong way. There. No, it pushed it there. Oops. And that'll push that there. That kind of blocks with the skeleton up. But you can still do this on Xbox 360. And on Xbox 360 it looks way better. Still, when you take the Joy-Cons off, you can see the screen fine. Yeah, so you've got that. And now it's time to do the desk, so you don't see all these armor stands everywhere. I'm just gonna put these. You don't have to do exactly the desk that I'm doing, but you can if you want to. Yeah, so I've got my little desk here. And I don't want to waste more time by doing a bunch of other stuff. But if you want it to look even better, then yeah, just get some pistons and push some oak planks into there. It might work, but I'm not gonna risk it. I'm not sure if it works on the PlayStation 4 edition, and it might wreck it if I do try. So I'm gonna fill up all these spaces. And let's play on the Nintendo Switch. Ah, I fell into the Nintendo Switch. Okay. Yeah, okay guys, I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and all of our others that will be in the link in the description. Thanks for watching, bye.